Hopefully everybody's doing great. We are back with, I guess episode 2 of getting the G35 ready for paint. I'm gonna go to my mother's place, and then try to sand down some stuff. I already started sanding the side skirts, and I'll probably prime it later, and then try to sand as much as possible today. So it'll be fun. Here we are. I don't even know where to start with this freaking thing. Let's start with the cold start, at least. Make sure battery ain't dead. Oop. I guess I'll probably just start sanding the hood. Don't have to worry about this stuff yet. And over here, so let's start there. I don't want a primer yet. Plus, I need to get some more primer. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I pretty much did all this side already. I got this little Scotch-Brite bullshit here, and I got in here, and then I did the mirrors, and then I just took the tail lights out. Try to get it all in here, whatever. So yeah, and I still need this whole side. So it's been fun though. But I think I should definitely have enough time to finish it today. Hopefully, at least the sanding bullshit. All right, so this is what we got so far. I still need to take the bumper off to make sure we get it on the bottom and take those flaps out. But yeah, so far pretty good. Still need to do the front hood. I don't know if I want to do it with it on there or take it off. It does have a couple lines and bullshit, so I don't know which one's gonna be best, but that's what we got left. Alright, so already sanded the hood as well. Everything right now is sanded. Took the bumper apart, sanded down everywhere. Then I took the little flaps out, sanded them as well. There's the front flaps right here, also sanded. That's not too worried about that. That's gonna be getting messed up anyways. And there's the side skirts. Now I'm probably gonna wash it, maybe just rinse it off, and that's probably gonna be it for this day here. Probably gonna clean this shit on the back. It was the first time I ever take that rear bumper out. It had a lot of shit, but yep, yeah. And then I got a couple of rust spots I'm gonna try to paint over. That's it for today. I'll probably keep the video going until I get the primer and then start primering the whole thing, and then go from there. And now we're primering this stuff. Like I said, I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm not trying to mess with that too much. It's gonna end up getting messed up again. But I already did 2 coats. I'm gonna do 1 more and then keep going with the other stuff. Alright, so now I'm prepping it to do the whole primer. I got what I was knitting. Still got a lot of prepping for it, but I'll probably have to take these handles off, the mirrors, and try to take this off without making a mess or breaking it, and then cover all this shit right here. Not gonna record it because that's boring, but I'll let you guys know once I'm done with it. All right, well, after many hours of masking and all this bullshit. We have the whole car maxed up. We took the trunk out. Probably try to paint through here. Hopefully I don't get it too much in there, because I don't feel like masking anymore. And yeah, even took the little shit sucker here, forgot the name of them, but the mirrors should be fun. Hopefully not too long, maybe, no promises. Then I have that, and then the mirrors to do. So wish me luck. Look at that spot right there, right up there. All right, so yeah. All right, so after many hours and many layers, I have done the whole car. It's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. One of the spray bottles I had, it was throwing like a little, I don't know if you can see it, like this shit, whatever. I'm sure it'll come off once it's wet sanded. Did all this through here, the whole car. I think it was like 3 or 4 whole layers. I mean, I'm sure it's not gonna be perfect, but it's as good as it's gonna get, boys. And then it has this spot right here. I'm sure it'll get better once it dries, or not, whatever, I don't care. Yeah, I took 4 whole bottles, this thing's here, and I did bump the front hood, and from here on both sides back. So I guess it's not too bad. I got the bumper over there that I'm priming now, and then I still have the mirrors. So I'll get back to you guys once I'm done with all that. All right, so this is what we're looking at right now. I mean, looking like right now. The whole thing is painted. Put most of the stuff back together, like the mirrors. They have little bumps or whatever now, but it just still needs to be wet sanded. Put the trim on, the ones on the top too. Put the trunk back on there, the lights. I'll leave it without the rear bumper yet for now, so I'll find somebody to paint it. And once I get it painted, I'll put it back on, because they'll have to take it out anyways. So yeah, and same thing with the side skirts. Plus I still need to paint the inside of it, so I need to sand this down and paint it, and then same thing with this shit right here. But that'll be for another day, maybe another video or not. But this is gonna be it for this one though. Hopefully everybody is doing great and staying productive. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, get some merch on the description, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.